Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My beloved brothers and students, today I am going to present a poem, Who Am I? In first time in my life, which is written by the famous German theologian Dietrich Bonhoeffer, composed during his imprisonment by the Nazis 1944. It deeply explores the contrast between how others perceive us, how we truly feel it inside. So you guys, thank you for all for gathering today to hear my lines, and let me continue. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Who am I in this endless sea? Who am I in this endless sea? A drop of water or the world's joy? Am I the whisper in the silent night, or the blazing stars that owns the light? Who am I in this endless sea? Am I the dreams that never came true, or the strength that helped me push on through? A fleeting shadow lost in the race, or steady heartbeat time can't arise? Then who am I in this endless sea? Am I the laughter that breaks the gloom, or the quiet soul in a crowded room? The path I choose, the hand I'm dealt, the story written, or one I felt? Who am I in this endless sea? Am I the fears I try to fight, or the courage that's rising with the light? The broken pieces mended and worn, a restless seeker with a wandering soul. Who am I in this endless sea? I am the question and the cost, a traveler seeking peace and rest. 1,000 faces, one true name. I am the fire, I am the flame. Who am I in this endless sea? I am the hope inside of me. Thank you for all. Wa akhiru du'ana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.
ഈ ഇനത്തിലെ അവസാന മത്സരാർത്ഥിയാണ് 108.